We're here with my cousin Jay, my cousin Tiny, my brother Tiny, your boy P. We're at the 5-star restaurant. Guy Fierro was here. So Jalpe can't eat like this. Got some. I got the chicken parm.
Right here, the
my boy got the eggplant parm. So our waitress, you tell us.
Oh God, don't be taking my picture.
I'm not thinking I'm recording it. You're going on YouTube.
You can handle that?
I'm gonna try to handle it. I'll get back to you guys. It's a pretty big plate.
Yeah.
5-star restaurant in a gas station. Pretty hilarious. And we're out. 10-4 rubber duck. How you like it, G?
Loving this moment. Look at
Man, that was good.
Look at that eggplant. That's all eggplant, guys. Ready to go.
Alright, we'll get back to you guys. I'm eating.